Do you want to make your photos feel more dynamic? The Live Effect feature in Samsung Gallery adds a subtle 3D effect to supported photos, making them respond to your phone's movement. Let me show you how. First, open the Gallery app, then open a photo. Swipe up to view the photo details. Next, tap Live Effect. To preview the effect, tap the Gyro button in the bottom right corner. At the bottom of the screen, you will see three options. Share to let you share the live effect image. Apply to save the live effect to your photo. And set as wallpaper lets you use it as your wallpaper. For this example, let's tap Apply. As you can see, a new live effect button appears at the bottom of the photo. Tap it, then tap the Gyro button. Now, gently tilt your phone to see the photo respond with a realistic 3D effect. And that's how you apply live effect to photos on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.